What is extended reality, and why do so many experts say it will change how we work, learn, and even live? Extended reality, or XR, is an umbrella term used to describe all immersive technologies that blend the physical and digital worlds. Instead of referring to a single device or experience, XR includes virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, bringing them together under one powerful concept. Virtual reality places you inside a fully digital environment. When you put on a VR headset, the real world disappears and is replaced by a simulated one, whether that's a virtual office, a game world, or a training simulation. Augmented reality works differently. AR overlays digital elements onto the real world, allowing you to see virtual objects, information, or animations through your phone, tablet, or smart glasses while still staying connected to your physical surroundings. Mixed reality goes a step further by allowing digital objects to interact with the real world in real time, responding to surfaces, depth, and movement. Extended reality matters because it changes how humans interact with information. Instead of looking at flat screens, XR allows people to step inside data, explore ideas spatially, and learn by doing rather than watching. In education, students can walk through historical events or explore the human body from the inside. In healthcare, surgeons can practice complex procedures in realistic simulations before ever touching a patient. In business, XR enables virtual meetings where participants feel physically present, even when they are thousands of miles apart. Entertainment is only the beginning. XR is rapidly becoming a tool for productivity, creativity, and communication. Architects can visualize buildings before they are built. Engineers can test designs in immersive environments. Even everyday activities like shopping, fitness, and social interaction are being reimagined through extended reality. As hardware becomes lighter and software more intelligent, XR is moving closer to everyday life. It represents a shift from screen-based experiences to immersive ones, where digital content feels like a natural extension of reality itself. Extended reality is not about escaping the real world, it's about enhancing it.